Hey everyone, Technomeasure with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to charge an AirTag. So you might be wondering, how do I charge this thing? We got the answers for you in this video. So when it comes to your Apple AirTag, there is no way to actually charge it but to replace the battery. So these things actually have a battery inside of them. If you didn't know, we can show you how to take it off and replace it. So if it's dead or doesn't connect, most likely the battery needs to get replaced. So if you're going to be replacing the battery, what you're going to do is, you see this metal plate here, we're going to press with our two basically thumb and press it down, right? We got a gentle press and then twist it counterclockwise. So you're going to slide it just a little bit like this, and then this lid just pops up like that. It's just a metal piece, and right underneath you're going to see is a battery. This is a CR2032 battery that comes in. Now you can get this anywhere, Amazon, I'll leave a link for it, or you can get it to a store, wherever you like if you already have these. And all you're going to do is, you see that plus sign here, remove this one and then take your new one that you have, right? Make sure the plus sign is facing upwards, and then you're going to take that lid that you have, line it up with these holes. You'll see here there's 3 different holes, and this metal bracket or plate has 3 holes as well. So you're just going to gently line it up until it fits, and then once it lines up right, this nice solid fit, you're going to again press it down and then twist it clockwise this time, and it should lock in place. And once you see it lock in place, we basically have what's known as charged it or replaced the battery, because there's no really way to charge it like you traditionally would charge your iPhone or any other accessories, right? It just needs to be replaced with a new battery, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your AirTag. We'll see you guys next time.